Counting Carnival. Are you ready to learn?
Yes!
Let's count, add, and subtract all around the fun. Hop on the carousel round and round. One horse, two horses, what have we found?
When things come together, we add them up.
1 plus 2 is 3, let's cheer and jump. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3.
5 balloons floating up so high. 3 drift down from the sky. When some go away, we subtract them.
5 minus 3 is 2.
Look at those skies.
5 minus 3 is 2.
5 minus 3 is 2.
Step in the funhouse numbers on the wall. 2 candy bags, then 4 more fall.
When things join together, we add them all.
2 plus 4 makes 6, let's jump and call. 2 plus 4 is 6.
2 plus 4 is 6. Zoom on the roller coaster, up and down. 8 cars at the start, 3 leave the town.
When some leave or disappear, we subtract now. 8 minus 3 is 5. Wow! 8 minus 3 is 5.
8 minus 3 is 5.
Minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. When things come together, we add with glee. When some go away, we subtract, you see. Counting, adding, subtracting too. Math is magic for me and you.
Wave your hands, track and twirl. Numbers dance all around the world.
Add, subtract, count, hooray! At the Counting Carnival, we learn and play!
Hey, if you loved the rhyme, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in time, so you never miss a moment of fun and cheer. More magical rhymes are always near.